In today's video, I'm going to teach you inserting a table in Google Sheets. Google Sheets now has a built-in tables feature introduced in 2024, which gives you automatic formatting, filtering, and smarter data management. I'll show you how to use that first, and then how to create a clean, professional table manually if you prefer a lighter touch. To start a new table with the built-in feature, open your sheet and choose Insert, then Tables. You can also type at tables directly in a cell to bring it up. A sidebar appears with pre-built templates like a project tracker or an inventory sheet. These templates come with thoughtful columns, colors, and filters already set up. Click Insert on the one that matches your use case, and it drops right into your sheet, ready to go. If you already have data in a grid, you don't need to start over. Select your entire data range, then go to Insert Tables and choose Convert to Table. Sheets will recognize your headers, apply consistent formatting, and add built-in filtering so you can sort and analyze right away. From there, customize each column using the drop-down arrow in the column header. Pick the type that fits your data like text, date, number, or drop down. Setting the right type helps with sorting, validation, and calculations, and it keeps your table consistent as you add more rows. If you'd rather build a simple table manually, start by entering your headers in the top row and your data beneath them. Select the full range, then go to Format and choose alternating colors to add easy-to-read striped rows. Next, open the data menu and select Create a Filter. This adds filter icons to each header so you can sort and filter without changing your original data. For a polished look, use the toolbar to apply borders around your cells and bold the header row, which makes scanning much easier. Whichever route you choose, remember that tables and sheets automatically expand as you add new rows, so your formatting and filters continue working without extra effort. Built-in tables also support views for focused analysis, totals to summarize your columns quickly, and smart chips that make your data richer and more actionable. These enhancements help keep your sheet organized and make collaboration smoother, especially when multiple people are working in the same document. That's how you can create structured, reliable tables in Google Sheets, either with the powerful tables feature or with a clean manual setup. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Sheets tips and tutorials.